Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the continue reading the last book when the app starting on the ReadEra application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three line at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the settings button. In the general section, you can find the last option, the read book when start. Continue reading the last book or document on the app startup. If you want to enable this function, just click to the next white circle, and if it turns yellow, this function will be enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.